My dear colleagues, it is with great pleasure that I invite you to join us for the e-MIG 2023.
The conference also is important because it brings together diverse scholars, not only from Africa, but from other parts of the world, to engage and debate on many issues that are confronting the world.
As the two previous successful editions, this time as well, Open University of Mauritius collaborates with University of KwaZulu-Natal to organize this conference on the 26th and 27th of October 2023.
The University of KwaZulu-Natal is the premier University of African scholarship, and in this particular regard, we pride ourselves as a university that focuses on trying to address the African problems using African solutions.
This year's conference is based on resilience, innovation, and management in a turbulent environment.
I believe this conference will provide an opportunity for us to engage on this important subject that is affecting all aspects of our lives.
We all know we're coming out of the pandemic, and we know the difficulties we have all been facing. That's why it is an opportunity for you to be in the beautiful island of Mauritius to meet experts and other fellow researchers. On top of it, you will not only have the opportunity to present your research papers at the conference on several themes, including digital education, leadership, big data, employee wellness, new leadership style, but you will also have the opportunity to send your papers to the special edition of the Alternation Journal of South Africa after the conference.
It is a platform that will enable both the young and the old academics to be able to engage in a robust debate on how we can be able to address issues that are facing the world.
So, it's time now. Register so that we will join together for this fantastic e-MIG conference.
A perfect opportunity for us to be able to engage and find both current and potential partners. I believe that you will enjoy the conference and you will take time out of this conference to visit the beautiful island of Mauritius.
And I'm eager to welcome all of you to Mauritius.